Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an oxygen tank in Grand Theft Auto 5. To begin your underwater adventures, you'll first need to visit any ammunition store across Los Santos. Once inside, navigate to the gear section. There, you can purchase a rebreather, which automatically provides you with an oxygen tank. This essential item costs $27,500, a small investment for limitless underwater exploration. Once you've successfully purchased the rebreather, it will automatically be added to your character's inventory. To equip it, simply open your interaction menu, scroll down to the inventory section, and select gear. From there, choose the rebreather. With it equipped, your character can now stay submerged indefinitely, exploring the vast ocean floor without worrying about oxygen levels. It's a game changer for treasure hunting and deep-sea missions. While the rebreather is excellent for personal use, another fantastic way to get unlimited oxygen is by using specific submersibles. Vehicles like the Kraken, for instance, come equipped with their own oxygen supply. Simply entering one of these specialized vehicles will automatically grant your character the ability to breathe underwater for as long as you remain inside. This is perfect for extensive deep-sea exploration or missions requiring a more robust vehicle. Having an oxygen tank, whether from a rebreather or a submersible, opens up a whole new dimension of gameplay in Grand Theft Auto 5. You can now explore the vast and mysterious ocean floor without any time constraints. Discover hidden shipwrecks, find valuable collectibles, and encounter unique marine creatures. This essential item truly enhances your ability to complete underwater missions and uncover all the secrets the game's expansive aquatic world has to offer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.